Top 5 Rarest Insects. Insects are one of the most diverse and fascinating groups of animals on the planet. From the smallest bugs to the largest bees, insects come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. While some are commonly seen in our everyday lives, others are incredibly rare and elusive, making them a fascinating subject of study for entomologists and nature enthusiasts alike. Wallace's giant bee, Docile Pluto, originates from Indonesia. It is the world's largest bee, with a wingspan of up to 2.5 inches. It is rare due to its limited habitat, and the fact that it was thought to be extinct until it was rediscovered in 1981. The bee is known to build its nests in termite mounds, and little else is known about its behavior. Lord Howe Island stick insect, Dracosylus australis. Endemic to Lord Howe Island, an Australian territory. It was believed to be extinct in the early 20th century, but a small population was discovered on a rocky islet near the main island in 2001. The insect can grow up to 6 inches long, and is known for its unusual appearance, resembling a stick or twig. It is nocturnal and feeds on a variety of plants. Gooty Tarantula, Poecilotheria metallica. Found in a small area of India. It is known for its bright blue and metallic coloration, which makes it highly sought after by collectors. The species is rare in the wild due to habitat destruction, and is now listed as critically endangered. The tarantula is arboreal and spins elaborate webs, and is generally considered to be docile and non-aggressive. Rainbow leafhopper, Urimilla distincta. Native to Australia. It is a strikingly beautiful insect, with iridescent wings that appear to change color depending on the angle of the light. The species is rare due to its limited range and habitat, and is now listed as vulnerable. The leafhopper feeds on the sap of eucalyptus trees, and little else is known about its behavior. Abracadabra. Endemic to the island of Madagascar. It is a small, brightly colored beetle with a metallic green and purple sheen. The species is rare due to habitat destruction, and is now listed as endangered. The beetle feeds on the leaves of various plants, and is known for its distinctive behavior of raising its head and spreading its antennae when threatened. The world of insects is vast and diverse, with a multitude of unique and fascinating species. However, some of these species are incredibly rare, due to a variety of factors including habitat destruction, limited range, and overhunting. In this article, we explored the top 5 rarest insects in the world, including the Wallace's giant bee, Lord Howe Island stick insect, Gooty Tarantula, rainbow leafhopper, and Abracadabra. These insects are all incredibly rare and elusive, with unique characteristics and behaviors that make them a subject of fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike.